coming. Coming from like 20.
There he is. Fuck you, I hit him. Yeah.
I didn't hit him at all, I think.
I hit him with one bullet.
Nice. You rocket. Yeah, it's rocket.
Holy fucking shit. That's really fucking scary. Really. Precise fire, let's go. Where is he? Oh fuck. Oh, he saw me first.
Oh boy.
That son of a bitch.
Oh, more rockets.
That's so fucking scary, dude.
Yeah.
Oh, he's over there. I did not know.
Oh shit, I died.
You fool!
I died. I did him a lot of damage. I got a bag though. Hopefully he doesn't attack me, but
Ooh. This is very scary.
I'm running back. I'm running back. I'm running back. I'm running back.
Oh, the dude is over there.
Running back. All right, I'm back inside. I need my stuff.
I'm getting
oh
shot
shit, my
to
stuff is
hell.
outside. I got myself.
I don't like this helicopter, though.
No, it's scary.
I don't like it one bit.
Oh. Eat that one, eat that one, that one, that one.
Where is it?
I don't know.
Where am I?
I'm scared. Okay. He's leaving, dude. He's leaving.
He's gone. I was like, wait, where the fuck is the...
Oh shit, let's get the heli.
You gotta be kidding me.
Get the heli. Oh no, not again, man. Dude, why is he not interested in us?
He thinks we are peasants.
Where is he hanging out now? Oh, he's moving away from Vineyard even. Alright, that's Gerst. Yeah.
I see him coming in for the right over there.
Yeah, there is.
Oh, I hit him!
He's coming.
Oh my god!
Nice shot. He saw us. Wait, he's above us or something? Keep shooting.
He's turning, he's turning. Come on.
Did you hit him?
I think so. Oh. Wait. Yeah, he's seeing us.
Alright, when we get down, shoot him a couple times.
Yeah.
Alright, bail out. Is he here?
Where? I
Where
can't
is he?
see him. He's in the fucking sun.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, he's shooting at
Has to be
me.
interested. Yeah, nice.
He knows we're here again. Oh my god, I can't see him for shit.
Yeah, that sun is tough, eh? bunch of times. You got me a bunch of times. Hey, I gotta shoot at him, though.
Everything. I'm getting him a couple of times.
He might be going already.
I'm shooting him. No, he's coming back.
Yeah, no, I wasn't. I think he's, like,
He's coming back.
Yeah, yeah.
Still shooting.
He's in the distance there. Rockets. Steady.
Where is he? Oh fuck, he's over there. Just get out! Get out!
Yeah, sorry. He's hurt bad. Dude, he's so close to dead. Yes! Got him!
Nice.
Yes!
Let's go.
Oh my. Hey, let's go, Strogo. We got him, man. Let's just wait for the loot now.
I used 6 stacks of meds. God damn it, I can't jump.
6 stacks?
Yeah.
I don't even know. I used a lot of them.
Stop shooting me, you so goddamn it.
You have a bag, right?
God fucking damn it.
Sorry, man. You can shoot me if you want. I have a bag as well. I have 2 bags, so I'm still good.